Good morning. Today's walking couple vlog. It is January 8th, 2024. 10:53 in the morning, and the temperature is a balmy 48 degrees Fahrenheit. And we are at
Edisto Beach State Park
in South Carolina. Out for another walk today. Inviting you to join us, participate in this journey. We've never been here before. We don't know what it holds. Didn't do a lot of research on this one either. We did go out and purchase a one-day pass. Is $8 per person. $8 per person. We did purchase the annual state park pass for $99, and that's for the vehicle. So that allows you to come as much as you want, as often as you want, with as many people as you want, not just to this park, but also to all the other state parks in South Carolina. Needless to say, we will probably be walking through more state parks this year. And we invite you to join us on that. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos. Just getting started on this channel. There are no lifeguards here today. But at 48 degrees, I don't think we're going swimming either. We have a little sea turtle nesting here on the beach from May 1st to October 31st. Some of the dunes here, rather pretty. A lot of palms. If you haven't already watched our vlog from yesterday, I do recommend going back and checking that out. Seeing the beach that we walked on yesterday that was covered in dead trees, driftwood. It's a beach that they leave untouched and they don't clean up. That down there is a restaurant, surf shop, a little bit of a, I guess, outdoor seating pier. I believe on this beach you can pick up seashells. Again, in yesterday's vlog you will see there's a $470 fine if you remove anything from the beach. On this one, I don't think there are any restrictions. Rocks. It is a cold one today, folks. We're starting off by walking into the wind.
is brisk.
Little overcast today. Looks like it probably gonna rain. Not today, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but it looks like it's starting to move in. And the temperature is really cold today. And I'm sure you can hear that wind too. And who said going to the beach in January, early January, was a bad idea?
Definitely not working on your tan today.
I feel like I am getting red. It's probably just frostbite setting in from the wind chill.
Yep.
Being it's not super sunny out today, you don't even have that warmth from the sun. That Carolina warmth you normally have in the winter midday. The wind is kind of extinguishing that rather quickly. Another couple off in the distance walking, another walking couple. I think we're going to turn around up here, make our way back. Higher up on the beach now. Check out some of the sand up here. Lots of shells. we plan on being in this area still for a few more days, so I believe tomorrow it's going to rain. We'll have to see what we're going to adventure tomorrow. But hopefully Wednesday and Thursday the weather will be nice and we could get back out to the beaches. Some trails around here too that we might go down. The Beach State Park that we're at now has two sections. One is right here along the beach, and the other one's on the other side of a waterway or a creek. You cross the bridge, then you can re-enter the state park there. And that's a campground area that has hiking trails and stuff. So we are going to venture through there in the upcoming days. Seagull agrees with us. One lonely seagull. Here's a nice shell.
Probably the biggest shell I've seen on a wild beach.
Yeah, that is pretty big. Give you a little bit of size reference. There's that croc. Weather station tower over there. I believe there's bathrooms over here. We walked by that before when we came in.
Wi-Fi lounge in this building, and I think they have kind of a general store.
Yeah, we haven't been into that building yet. We might venture over there now. We did go to the other section of the park where the camping is and the trails on the other side of the creek to get our pass. That's where the ranger station is, and you got to go there to get your annual pass or your day passes. Make our way off the beach, give you one last look here. The waves coming in. There'll be more. here is a restoration zone. The dune area. Coming off the beach in a slightly different area that we went on. Little playground here, some picnic areas. One over here, one over here. They do have charcoal barbecues available here, which is nice. Keep in mind it's beginning of January. I think in the summer everything's a little bit more kept up, a little bit more greener too. Go check out this Wi-Fi room here. There's a camp exchange. The Wi-Fi, the official Wi-Fi room. Free Wi-Fi. Interesting. Restrooms, even a projector and screen in here. And a nice little room if you want to get some work done. If you do a lot of traveling, maybe vehicle supported traveling, where you don't have access to a room and a Wi-Fi, this is a great place to come, maybe on a rainy day. Now we're going to pop into the Camp Exchange store. See what they have in here.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. It's warm in here.
Deals this big won't last long, so don't miss out. The right mattress matters. We'll find yours. Restrictions apply. See store or website for details.
Yeah, we're replacing the carpets too, so don't worry about that.
No fresh powder yet, but Dan's Ski Lodge has an avalanche of projects.
4 rooms, including hot tubs.
He needs a staff engineer to navigate a flurry of new requests.
And all of those will be fully ADA accessible.
Indeed can help him hire great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. You can schedule and conduct virtual interviews, all from your employer dashboard. Visit Indeed.com/good and get $75 to sponsor job. Restrictions apply. People in Charleston are looking for money investing in multifamily real estate. Sorry, we're looking to see if we had firewood. Yep, we did good.
All right, we just checked out the Camp Exchange store. Real cool. Just give you guys a quick walk through there, and just went back in for a few minutes by myself just to look at a couple things. Very gift shop environment. There'll be some last minute things that you might need for being at the beach. So it is going to be a little stormy here tomorrow, which will actually be good because Wednesday and Thursday should be a little warmer, maybe in the 60s, and the storm will bring up all the shells onto the beach. So we'll be able to go out on Wednesday and Thursday and do some more beach exploring. For now, for today, we might venture out again later, not exactly sure. But we're gonna wrap this up right now at the Beach State Park. And we'll walk soon with you again.